I feel grateful writing to you. When I look into your beautiful eyes, tears of joy come to mine because I see home, infinity, love and compassion. For weeks now I felt the urge to write to you, which seems a paradox to the mind, because when I listen carefully to you, and I do, I would let go because Sarah. As a child, I could spend hours looking at the sky, asking myself, where is God? I would play this game with myself, contemplating about infinity till... It's a long one. Till I got this funny feeling in my stomach, and then I could let go again. Being severely traumatized as a child, I spent most of my life being depressed and trying to heal my heart. A couple of years ago, awakening came, and a couple of months later, the Kundalini awoke. Afterwards, I spent most of my time being chronically ill as all the energies with great force moved through the system. It felt like I was falling back into life again, and all the themes mentally, emotionally and spiritually popped up again. But this time I knew I was not my experiencer, I was just the one experiencing whatever came up. There was moments of bliss and total motionless silence, waves of compassion, moments of body dissolving into everything, recognizing it's the same presence looking through my fellow human beings' eyes at me, etc. For weeks now I feel the strange desire to completely die as the person I believe to be, and yes, there's still fear of that happening at the same time, and yes, I can't make that happen, but still, for whatever reason, I'm writing this to you. I just feel I was born to be free. I understood from one of the videos it took a while before Lisa died after awakening, so maybe there's something you, source through you, would like to share with me. In love, light, wonder and gratitude. Yes. The self has a great sense of humour. Just before I wanted to press send, the inner voice said, so you're dying to be free? Yes, you are. So, if we look outside, or at the dog, let's go for a walk. Oh no, I can't go so far because of internet. But if we look outside, or at the dog, or out in the garden, at all the things, did anything do anything to be here? Did anything require a story to be here? Does the dog need that as she moves the bone? And do I need that in order to speak to you, Lisa? And do you need that in order to hear these words, the whole story of the Kundalini awakening? In order for all of this to be, is that story needed for the Kundalini awakening and flip-flopping and years of awakening? Does that make any difference to this, what is? Has it ever made any difference? It's not about the story of awakening or the Kundalini going in and through the body, or the flip-flopping for 5 years, or the no me, or the not me, or no doership, or anything that's said now. It's about what is. It's always about what is. And what is isn't divided. It's not two. None of this needed anything to be free. It is. And it's the same for the human. The only difference is the human got lost in the tail of the body through time, and believed that to be who it is, then believed itself to be on an awakening process, this spiritual awakening process, learning all these things and deconstructing itself. And it's not about any of that. It's the birds flying in the sky, the clouds moving, the sound of the dog gnawing, the other dog licking, the socks, the crow going crow, crow, crow. So I forgot who I was even speaking to or what your name was. It's just nothing of what you think. What you think comes and goes in this absolute stillness and absolute radiance of being. It's got nothing to do with it. It feels like it does, maybe, until it stops.